Yo, guys. Literally, I want to show you how you can fix your broken TV. Broken TV, guys. When your TV is broken, this is the only way you can fix it. Literally, they have been scamming you. When you trash this kind of TV, you're really making losses. So how can you fix a broken TV like this one? This is a very good size, 65-inch TV, and you're just gonna trash it when you find it broken. So get a soft piece of paper, guys. Sorry, my daughter is just here crying for me, but how can you fix it? Fix it. This is how you're gonna fix it. Okay, get uh tissue just like this one. You smoothly, these are all fibers. Okay, these are all fibers. So smoothly, 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 smoothly. It's gonna take time because these ones are broken. They need to link up, and from this side, whatever kind of issue, like it's broken any side, you're gonna. You see, this is my Apple TV is on, so I'm trying to fix the problem. So guys, just do it smoothly. Smoothly. It will might take 2 minutes, but remember, this is an expensive TV. You cannot just throw it because it's already what because it has a broken area, so we're fixing it. So guys, just get a new one and replace it. There is no solution. Trash it. Plug out your Apple TV, plug it out of the power source, just trash it. There is no solution.